SwiftUI has 5 built-in shapes that we can use. All 5 shapes are created the same. Let's first start by creating each shape. Those 5 shapes are rectangle, rounded rectangle, circle, ellipse, and capsule. All shapes are instantiated with their name with no other information except for rounded rectangle, which needs a corner radius value. Capsules have a secondary initializer, style, with the choice of 2 types of curvatures for rounded corners, dot continuous and circular. All shapes will fill all available space and will be black in light mode and white in dark mode. If you wish to modify the color of any shape, you can use the dot fill modifier, and inside of the modifier, add your color. If you want to apply a stroke instead of a fill, you can use the dot stroke modifier. Along with solid strokes, we can also add dashed lines to shapes with the dot overlay and the dot stroke border modifiers. You can apply this to any shape by just changing the initial shape and the overlay shape. If you want to apply a stroke and a fill at the same time, there is no out-of-the-box way to handle this. You have a few options. We'll look at one of them. You can use the dot stroke border modifier to your shape to add a border, and you can apply the dot background modifier to fill the shape with a color. Finally, you can use the dot frame modifier to size any shape. When using the shapes capsule and ellipse, the frame modifier must have either the width or the height be the larger value.